surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Beautiful Essentials here. So my bathroom mirror was my weekend project and I framed it with this wooden trim that I got from Home Depot, and it's called a scallop trim. I cut 6 pieces and then I cut 4 of them at an angle and then 2 of them straight because of the design I'm working on. I'm also going to be using canvas panels, and I got this from Walmart. They come 3 in a pack, and the arrangement on the floor is how I intend to have the design on my mirror. So I'll be putting the canvas panel, one of it, here, and drawing an arc. This is to give my bathroom mirror an illusion of an oval shape. Everyone's mirror is different, that's why I did not give any measurements, so depending on the size of your mirror, you draw the oval shape with the desired curve. I then took out all of the trims and spray painted them white using this Krylon spray paint. I also got small crates from Walmart that I'll be using for storage, and they're 4 inches deep, and it is just what I need for my design. This arc that I drew earlier was being cut out with an X-Acto knife, but I'll recommend using a box cutter because with canvas panels, it's really hard using an X-Acto knife to cut out shapes. So I placed it at the other end, and I'm going to be cutting it as well. Now, if you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. For the oval shape, I'm going to need 4 pieces with 2 being cut out from the front of the canvas panel. And then I turn that same canvas panel shape to the back. And I'm going to be drawing out 2 arcs and cutting them out. And that's going to give me 4 pieces in total. I'll be making 2 oval shapes of my mirror. So this is 4 I have here. So I need another 4. Because the set of canvas panels that I use come 3 in the pack, I used all 3. But then I needed 2 more shapes, so I used the leftover piece to draw out 2 shapes. With the trims that I spray painted white, I'm going to show you guys how the design is going to be. The first item I'll use to decorate the trims and the canvas panel will be this mirror mosaic tiles, and the link for these tiles will be in the description box below. I cut them to singular strips. They are self-adhesive and so easy to use. So this is how I'm going to be attaching them to all of the canvases and the trims. To secure the mirrors that are at the thin ends of the canvas panel, I'm going to be adding a little bit of hot glue. I place another wooden trim here where I'm attaching the mirror mosaic tiles just to see what it's going to look like besides the other ones. I also covered these 2 parts on the crates with mirror mosaic tiles. I later decided to just cover the sides with the tiles as well. To decorate this piece even further, I'm going to be using different sizes of gems that I got from Walmart. And these are self-adhesive, but I'm going to be attaching these gems using a hot glue gun just to make sure they stay in place. I'll be attaching this next set of gems with a slight curve. Now I'm going to be filling up all of the open spaces. For the wooden trims, I used just the large gems. So overall for this project, I used 3 packs of the large gems and then 1 pack of gems that come in different sizes. This is what they look like besides each other. And this is what the overall look should be when I have it attached to the mirror. I'll be using command strips to attach all of this to the mirror. And I have 2 packs of these 12 large pairs of command strips. And the command strips they sell in stores carry different weights. So depending on the weight that you have, that's the command strip you're going to use. I use the one that's 16 pounds only because I had a lot of them, and the storage unit that's going to be in the middle will have different items placed in there from time to time, and some of them could be heavy. 16 pounds for this is actually too much, but like I said before, it's what I have at home, so that's why I used it. For better balance, I'm going to be attaching 3 to the long trim. This is my bathroom mirror, and this is how I'm going to be attaching all of the trims to the mirror. This is easy to install. You just peel off the sticker and then mount it on the mirror. I was thinking with this design, the clip that holds the mirror at the top won't show that much, but it is showing, and I will take care of that much later. Now remember, before you do this, you need to clean the mirror properly so that it would adhere better. I attach command strips at the back of the crates too. That holds 16 pounds of weight. And then I placed it there, and this is what it looks like. And I used a board and covered it up with marble contact paper and put it inside. I got these LED strips from Walmart for about $5, and I just want to see what it's going to look like before I can then decide if I want lights in there or not. The way I mounted the crates, it's limiting the kind of items to put in there, so I removed it and then shifted the wooden trims and changed the positioning of the crates. And this time I mounted it horizontally. Now I'm going to show you guys my backup plan to cover up the mirror clip that we have on the left and on the right. So I took an extra frame that I would use for another project and placed it on the floor because it's the same frame that I use in the bathroom. And then I used canvas panels and I positioned it like this. Because they're in pieces, I had to just put them together and then traced out the shape. I cut it out. And what I did next was to lift up the trim and align it to the top of the boards and traced out the shape again. All this extra work could have been avoided if I just made a little chip opening at the back of the wood to cover up the mirror clip. But like I said, I thought it wasn't going to be that bad, but now that I know it's showing, I had to take this route. Now this is where the clip is, so I'm going to cut that part out. I used tape to hold them all together to make sure that they stay in place. Now to cover up all of the joints, I'm going to be using marble contact paper to cover up the whole length. The two looking oval mirrors that I have right now already have the LED strips mounted in there. Like I said before, I'm just testing it out to see if I like it with the design. And then on my table, I covered it up with marble contact paper to look like the real one that's on the slab. This is another idea on how to decorate your bathroom mirror using paint palettes. This was the look that I had in my bathroom before I changed it up, and I made this some months ago, and the link for this video will be in the description box below. I'm really happy with the look that I have on my bathroom mirror right now. And everything you see here is not permanent. I use command strips for everything, so it's super easy to remove them. I hope you guys like this renter-friendly idea on how to decorate your bathroom mirrors. Or if you're in your own home and you like to switch up the decor every once in a while, this is a route that you can take. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to like it and share it with your friends and families as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.